Alright, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor. So what I do here is that I solve technical drawing problems and also provide information that are important for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. If you're new, you are watching my video for the first time, I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And also help me to share my videos with your friends who are also technical drawing students, and don't forget to practice. It's very, very important you practice this subject because it's a practical subject. Now, what I want to do now is that I want to solve this problem, and I just want to do some things on this problem, but let us look at what the instruction says before we know what to do. So it says here that draw in third angle projection the orthographic views of the object shown in figure 3 with full sectional front view as seen in direction of arrow A and full sectional top view. So what I just want to do here is that I want to work on the sectional front view and sectional top view alone. Then other ones I may do that later, but right now I want to work on the sectional views. Okay, now when we asked to draw the sectional top view, front view and sectional top view, normally we are supposed to be given the cutting planes. So the cutting planes are plane for the front view and the cutting plane for the top view, but it is not, they are not laid here, they are not put on the object. So I'm going to put the cutting planes myself. Now for the sectional front view that we're asked to draw, so we are supposed to have a cutting plane that will go like this, cut this object into two, passing through the center of the circle and cutting the object into two. So when it cut the object into two, so remove this front part. So we want to see what is left on this remaining part. So that will give us the sectional front view. And then for sectional top view, that means we have a cutting plane that goes like this. So passing through the center of this circle and goes like this. Then we remove the upper part. We want to see what we have under here. Okay, now let's look at the dimensions on the object. So from here to here is 30 millimeters. From the center here to this point here we have 50 millimeters, making 80. From here to here to the center of this circle is 30 millimeters, making 110. And from the center here to this end here is also 30 millimeters. That means we have 140 millimeters. So we are as we are told that we should draw in third angle projection, so we are going to draw it in third angle projection. That means I will draw the plan up here on the paper, and the front sectional view will be down here on the paper. So that's what I'm going to do now. So the first thing that we are going to do now is to draw a horizontal center line. So draw a horizontal center line. So I'm showing it here. Okay. So now, so the next thing we are going to do is that I will fix a line here as a center line here. Fix a line here as a center line, as a vertical center line. Okay. So the total length, as we have said, is 140 millimeters. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take 30 millimeters to this side. 30 millimeters to this side. Then I will take from this center here, I will take 50 millimeters. So this is 50 millimeters. Then I will take 30. Then I will take 30 again. So this is it. So then what is the width of the object itself? What is the width of the object? So the width of the object, as you can see here, is 60 millimeters. So from here to here is 30 millimeters. And from the center here down to this part is 30 millimeters for the plan. So don't forget that for the sectional top view, we are cutting this object and we are removing the upper part. So that's what we want to draw. So the width is 60 millimeters. So from the center here, I will take 30 millimeters up and 30 millimeters down here. Okay. So now, so here I will draw a vertical line. And I will come here also. At this point here, I will draw a vertical line. So here is a center. I will draw a center line here, a vertical center line here. So I believe you can see it. So here also I will draw a vertical line like this. So with the text that I've taken, I'll make it a rectangle like this. So I will also come here and draw a horizontal line here like this. Okay, then so the next thing I'm going to do is to draw the circle. So the diameter of the circle is 30 millimeters. That means the radius is 15 millimeters. I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters. So I will draw a circle here. So this circle that I want to draw, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you, not the upper circle. Okay, so in the diagram, this is the circle I drew. This circle, not this one, because this has been taken off. This has been taken off, so we have this circle. Now we see this circle. By the time I remove the upper part, I cut it like this. Remove the upper part, I will see this circle like this. So then for this circle here, I'm going to see, by the time I remove the upper part, I'm going to see this line as a straight line. The line here, I will see it as a straight line. The line here, I will see it as a straight line. Likewise, this line and this line, I will see them as straight lines. So now, so for the circle on that part, so the diameter is 30, the radius is 15 millimeters. I will also take 15 millimeters here and also 15 millimeters here. Okay, so and then what is the thickness here? So the thickness here, so as we have here, so the thickness here, so this is 60. So from here to here is 20 millimeters. In the middle here, this is 20 millimeters. So it means that from here to here is 20, and from here to here is 20 millimeters. So I'm going to divide this 60 into 3 parts. So I'll just take 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters, and this is also 20 millimeters here. So here I will draw horizontal line from here to here, and horizontal line from here to here. Okay, then for the circle, so for the circle that we are going to see there, so I will draw, so here I will draw a vertical line like this, and here I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so as I've said, so this will be a thick line. It will be a thick line. We are going to see it as a thick line like this. Okay. So then this should be made a thick line. So make this a thick line, and then so this will be made a thick line like this from here to here, and this will also be made a thick line from here to here, and then this will be made a thick line from here to here. All right, so and then so this will be, so this will be a thick line from here to here, and then so for this, so this will be a thick line from here to here, and then from here to here, and then this line will be a thick line. So I will show you this line that I'm making a thick line. Okay, so this line that we have here, okay, so this line, okay, and then so we have a line here. So this line here, this point here, so we are going to have a thick line here, and distance of this point from the center of this circle is 50 millimeters. So that means I have to take a measurement of 50 millimeters from the center of the circle here, from this center here. So I'll take a measurement of 50 millimeters from here to here. Then I will draw a line. So I'll draw a line like this, but this line will be a thick line. So this line will be a thick line. So I have to make it a thick line from here to here. Okay, so now, so as we are told that we are drawing a sectional top view, so when the cutting plane goes through the object as I've shown you, it goes through like this. So it cut it, I will remove the upper part. So this part is going to be rough. It's a solid, to be rough, and down to this place from here to here, it should be rough. So we are going to show the roughness, but this will not be rough because the cutting plane doesn't touch this part. So the cutting plane doesn't touch this part. So this is going to be left empty. So what I mean is this. So with our 45 degrees set square, so we have to arch this surface from here to here. So this is it. So you draw arching lines. So arching lines, so you draw it like this. So I'm going to complete it and you see it when I am back. So this is the sectional top view, and I've written it here, sectional top view. So so we have done the arching, the solid part, so have to be arched. Then this will not be arched because so the cutting plane does not touch this part, it doesn't touch this, and doesn't touch this part. So this is how the sectional top view will look. Now so we move to the sectional front view now. So as I said, for sectional front view, the object is cut. So we have the cutting plane, it goes in direction, so it passes through the center of this circle. So we are going to remove the front part. Then we want to see what we have here. That's what we want to do now. So we want to see what we have here. So what I'm going to do first is that, so I will come down here and draw the horizontal line. So I'll draw horizontal center line like this. So because of the circle, I'll draw horizontal line. Then I'm going to draw a circle. So this circle here. So we are going to see this circle. So this circle, but I will remove the front part. We are going to see this circle. So I have to draw this circle now. So for the circle, so the radius is 15. So I've already taken that distance here in between this line. So I just put it here. This is center. So I put my compass here. Then I will draw the circle. So circle goes like this. Okay. So this is how the circle will be now. So what is the thickness of that? What is the width of this? So this is how we are going to take it. So from the center here, we take 20 millimeters. So from the center here, distance from here to here, is 20 millimeters. So what I will do is that, so from the center here, I will take 10 millimeters. So I just come here, take a measurement of 10 millimeters up and 10 millimeters down. So then I will draw a horizontal line from here to here, and from here to here. So, and then, so the next thing I'm going to do is that, as we have here, that the, so let's look at it. So as we have here, so the diameter of this curve is 60 millimeters. So with that, so I will take a measurement from here, from the center here. I will take 30 millimeters up and 30 millimeters down. That's what I'm going to do. So 30 millimeters up from the center here. So I will take 30 millimeters up. So this is 30 millimeters here. Then I will take 30 millimeters down. So 30 millimeters up and 30 millimeters down. So this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do with that ring that I've taken, I will draw a horizontal line. So this is going to be a thick line. So I will make it a thick line at once like this. Okay. Then here I will come up here. So I will also make draw a thick line like this. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is that, so from here, so this will be a thick line from here to here. It's like we are reversing what we did in the plan in the sectional top view. So this will also be a thick line like this. Okay, and then so this line that we have here, we are going to see this line, it will be a thick line down. So, and it's around here, so I have to make this, so I will draw it from here. So to be a thick line from here to here like this. Okay, and then so this will also be a thick line from here to here. This will be a thick line from here to here, and then the whole of this will be a thick line straight. Okay, so as you see here, then this circle that we have here, so let me show you this circle that we have here. So we are going to see it as a straight line. So this point to be a straight line, here up here, and here we are going to have a straight line down here. So what I mean is this. So all I need to do is to draw a vertical line from here down into the plan, into the front view. So then I'm going to make this, so this will be a thick line, and this will be a thick line like this. Okay, so this is also a thick line. I made this a thick line. So now we need to arch the solid part. So the whole of this space we made what we made empty. So while we arch this line, we are repeating what we have done before. So we are going to arch this part from here. So we arch this part. Okay, so the solid part, just look at the solid part of it. So that is the part that you have to arch, or to produce the arching lines on. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video. I'll do it and come back so that you can see the final result. All right, so this is the sectional front view, and then I need to make this line. I need to make it a thick line. So where is this line? Where is it located in the diagram? So that line that I just made thick, so where is it found in the diagram? So this is it. So this line here is a thick line. So that's why I have to make this a thick line. So this is these are the sectional top view and sectional front views. As simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. God bless you.